This amazing AI video is going viral on TikTok and then YouTube. I'm going to teach you how to create this AI video for free. Okay. Some people are saying they use Clink AI to generate it for free. For Clink AI is paid version. Okay, so if you use Clink AI to generate this baby AI dance, you are going to pay before you can generate. And when you use H4 AI, they say that they give you 3.3 credits so that you can use it to generate the video. So after the points, then you are going to pay. But I have tried. I didn't generate the video. They told me to pay it. Okay, so he's free, and then Clink AI is paid version. But this one, I'm going to teach you, and you too can create this amazing AI video, and you can go viral on TikTok and then YouTube for free. Okay, for this one is for free. When you sign up, they give you 100 credit. Okay, to create the video you want. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a step by step on how to create an exact AI tool that I use it to create this amazing baby AI videos. Okay, so let's watch it a step by step on how to create this amazing AI video. So the first thing you have to do is you go to YouTube and then search for AI baby dance. You are going to search for AI baby dance. Okay, so there are a lot of AI baby video will pop up. Then you scroll and then select the one you want to also generate the same image. Okay, so what I have to do is I want this image. Okay, so what you have to do is you copy this video link. Okay, so I'll copy this link and then move on to Chrome. The next thing you have to do is you go to Chrome and then search for Google AI Studio. Okay, so you search for Google AI Studio and then you click on Google AI Studio. Make sure when it's open like this, make sure always choose Gemini. Okay, so when you click on Gemini, the next thing you have to do is this 4 bar on right corner. Then you click on that bar and then you click here and then go and search for Gemini 2.5 Flash. So when it's appear like then you click on Gemini 2.5 Flash. Okay, so click the bars again and then find out that is Gemini 2.5 Flash. So after that, this plus sign here, okay, then you come and click on that plus sign and then choose YouTube. Okay, then you paste the link you copied from YouTube Shorts. Okay, so we're going to create the same image. So we want Google AI to give us a prompt. Okay, so you paste the link and then you come and click on save. Okay, I'll tell Google AI that please watch the video, then provide 3 distinct prompts to style 3D image of a baby girl like the one in the video. Okay, so it's too long so I can't read all. Okay, so you type something like that. After that, then you come and click on run. Then Google AI is going to give you 3 different prompts so that you can use it to generate your image. Now Google AI has given me the 3 solid prompts that I can use it to generate my image. So I will look through it. Okay, and you can copy any of them. Okay, so me, I prefer to copy the first one. Okay, so I will copy the first prompt. So I will drag it and then copy it. Okay, so you come and click on copy. Then you come and open new tab. The next thing you have to do is you go to Google Gemini. Gemini is going to create the image for us. So when Gemini appear like this, what you have to do is you click on toolbar here and then select create image. Okay, make sure that always is on fast but not syncing. Okay, always select on fast. Okay, so mine is, I have selected already. Okay, so after you click on create image, then you paste the prompt you copy from Google AI. So you paste it. Okay, then you come and click here to generate your image. Now the image has generated very nicely. Wow, that's amazing image. So you download your image. Wow, the image is so nice. Download it. Okay, so after download your image, the next thing you have to do is you open new tab again, and the next thing is you're going to search. This is the AI I'm talking about. You're going to search for Flow or Google Labs Flow. Okay, so when you search and it appears Google Labs or Flow, it's the same thing. Okay, so I'll search for Flow. Okay, so when it appears, then you click on it like this. When it opens like this, then you click on new projects. When it appears like this, make sure you click on text to video. Okay, then you select flames to videos. Okay, and view 3.1, click on that one also and select portrait. Okay, so after select portrait, then you click on it so that it will remove from the screen. And the next thing you are going to do is plus sign here under the flame to video. You come and click on that plus sign and then upload the image Gemini created. Okay, so you come and click on upload. Okay, and then you upload the image you generated. Okay, so this is the image. I'm going to select it and then upload it. Then here you crop it. Okay, so you crop the image. Okay, you crop the image. Yes, now it's fine. So then you save the image that you crop. Okay, and then upload it. So after you have uploaded it, the next thing you have to do again is you open new tab again and then go to Google AI Studio again. Okay, so now we are going to tell Google AI Studio to give us a prompt to make the image dance. Okay, make the image dance or make the image turn into video. So please give me view 3 video prompt for each of the prompts to generate a video using the image generated in the prompt you have given me. I want the video to be like the one I uploaded. Make the person dance just like the one in the video. That's what I type. Okay, so if you can type any words also. When I paste it, the next thing is I'm going to click on run. Okay, so that Google AI will give me the prompt to generate my video. So I will scroll downwards. I will go through it and then search for the one that's, and then copy the one I want to create. Okay, so I will copy number 3. Okay, so when I look through it, I'm going to copy number 3. Okay, so I'll copy number 3. The next thing is you open new tab again. Then you are going to paste the prompt to Flow. Okay, so you come back to Flow and then paste the prompt. Okay, so I will paste my prompt and then you come and click this arrow here, then you click on here, then wait for a moment for your video, for your image to turn into AI baby dance video. Okay, so wait for a minute. Now the result is ready, so let's play it and see how this baby gonna dance. Okay, so come and click here. So now our baby is dancing amazing. Wow. So this is a simple way to create it. Okay, so the next thing you have to do is you will download your video. Okay, this one, it dance slowly. Okay, so if you want the video to dance fast, you can go to CapCut and then speed it up. Okay, so you click on speed and then you speed it up so that the baby will dance fast and it will look so amazing. Okay, so this is how to do it. So next time you have to do it, we will download the image, we will download the video. Okay, so you come and click this arrow down here and then download your video. So make sure you choose original size. Okay, 720. Okay, so you click on that one and then you save your video. Okay, now your video has saved. Okay, so you can open it here. It will come on your videos. Okay, so this is how to create it. It's a simple way to create it. So now you have created your baby dancing AI video. Okay, how to create it. Okay, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and if you have any comments, leave it on comment down below. Thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video.